Hey everyone, Mary here with a quick video on how to stop dropping stitches when making color changes. We have all been there at some point, but this is an easy fix and let me show you how. But first, check out my YouTube channel for more fixes to those common mistakes, free patterns, and tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified of new videos. Alright, let's get started on preventing those pesky drop stitches. When making color changes, you want to place your working tail between the last needle and the first needle. And your new yarn will also be in that same place. This is very important. Next, hold those tails up a little high on the needle under the hook. The old yarn will be on the last needle and the new yarn will be under the first needle. This is where a lot of people make a mistake. They don't keep those tails up in the hook, and the next time around, those stitches will drop. So if I'm not doing my jogless color change, I will advance a little bit and tie the tails in a half knot to keep the tension as close to normal as I can. You can see that I place the half knot up underneath the bar. I make it nice and tight under the bar. Then after 3 or 4 rows, I'll go ahead and finish that knot. The last thing you want to be aware of is when the color change approaches the yarn guide. These two stitches, the last needle and the first needle, typically have a loose tension. So when the needles come up, the stitches should drop to the bottom of the needle. If this doesn't happen, you can get tuck stitches. So be aware and push the stitch down if it doesn't drop automatically. And that's it. No more drop stitches on your color changes. So remember these 3 things. Make your color change between the last needle and the first needle. Hold the tails under the hook of the needles when advancing the machine. And verify the stitch drops to the bottom of the needle in the next row. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the links below to some of the places you can find me, and I'll see you in the next video.